am going in and moisturizing my face first. So I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my face. So I went in and started priming my face with this Hydrate and Primer by Makeup Revolution. So what I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. I have this lash and brow pencil, and I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows out first, just like this. I done brushed my eyebrows out. Okay. And then for this gold brush, I'm gonna get my Dipbrow by Anastasia. Okay. This is the color Ebony. And this is how it look like. Okay. So I'm just gonna dip this in there. And I'm gonna shape my eyebrows. And I will show you guys how I did that. So with this angled brush, I'm just gonna go ahead and line my eyebrows. I'm just doing my eyebrows right now, and I am trying to be gentle with them and not put too much on there. I'm just gonna brush it out just like that. Okay. So I'm gonna do the same to this eyebrow. So next what I'm gonna do is conceal my eyebrows. And I am using this LA Pro concealer to sharpen and make my eyebrows look better than what they are right now. And I'm using this Morphe brush M167. It looks just like this. It looks just like this. And I'm going to use that on my LA Pro concealer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and line up and sharpen my eyebrows to make them clean. Just like this. So just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this eyebrow. I'm just concealing that to sharpen my eyebrows and to clear them up. Alright. So I'm just using one of my concealers, and I'm just gonna get this upper part and conceal it, kind of foundation it, just like this. So I just got a beauty blender and I'm just dabbing all that concealer in just like this. Next I am going to use this Stay Don't Stray by Benefit to prime my eyelids, okay? This is how it look like. And I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids So I'm just gonna use this Ultimate Cover brush, and I'm just gonna dab that in. So I'm gonna go in with this James Charles times or slash Morphe palette. Today we're gonna use this color. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color, okay? So it's called Love That by James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start creating my crease. Now I'm gonna use a different brush to create this crease. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to this eye. Trying to create that cut crease at the end. So I'm gonna go in with this brownish color to blend the outer part, and it's called Punch Me. And I'm just gonna blend it out like that. So next I'm gonna go in with this color T, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that into this crease like this. So do you see how I did this? Let me know. So this is how I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. So I'm just gonna go ahead with that pink I was using earlier, and I'm just gonna go ahead and dab that in. So next I am going with this right here, and it is called Halloween, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that in between, in the middle of my eyes. Just like this. So I'm just using this right here to get this like nice transition. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my tape. Woo! You see that? Boom, I can cut somebody. Yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and like clear that up with more concealer. Okay. Just like this, we're gonna go ahead and clear it up. Now this is like the look I was looking for. What I'm gonna do now is put on my mascara. I'm gonna put some mascara on, put foundation on, and some lashes, cause we look. So that's what I'm gonna do, okay? So yes, I had went in with this Mega Plush Volume Express mascara, and I just put some mascara on my eyelashes before I put on fake eyelashes. So we're gonna go in with this Maybelline foundation, and this Kokie 601 brush. And we're just gonna go ahead and put some foundation on my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this foundation on my skin. I'm just gonna blend it in with this beauty blender. Back with this LA Pro concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my nose, my cheekbones, and my big old forehead. Okay, just like that. So I'm gonna use this baking powder, this Banana Deep baking powder. And I'm just gonna go ahead and bake wherever I concealed. I'm just baking everywhere that I have concealed. So yes, I'm just gonna brush it off. Brush all that powder off. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with this Kiss press powder. Like after I bake my face, I like to go in with the powder and kind of like set that in. I just get this just like this, and I just press this in my face. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. So these are the mink lashes. I like to use my hand when putting on these lashes. I was waiting for them to dry, so they're dry now. Girl. So this is what we're finna do. Yes, sis. This is how it looks with the lashes on. But we're not done because we need to contour and get some lipstick on. But yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and contour my fat ass nose with this contour, 3D contour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and contour this nose and make it small, you know. So yes, I just went ahead and used this MAC to line my cheekbones. Highlight where it needs to be highlighted. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply on my lipstick. Yes, for some of my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with this Made It by Too Faced. It is the color brown. I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lips with this. Okay, so I did my lips. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead with some makeup setting spray, and I'm just gonna push, 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 you know. So this is the look. Y'all like it? Y'all like it? Y'all feeling this look? Cause I am. Y'all feeling this look? Thank you, thank you, thank you if you are. Guys, this is the look.